Hello viewers, and welcome again to another edition of your favorite program called Talk to the Camera. Making bring this program come to you as always, my name is Kuna Sise. Today the camera can work with you all the way in Hill Station. For Talk to the Councillor, when I name Councillor Dabel and in team. But what thing they do for first this sick in their own constituency where they and also the message when they send so una the viewers them out there. Hello to you and welcome to this interview, sir. You go please tell your name and introduce yourself. You go tell me who that you be.
Yeah, well, Mina Councillor Mohamed Abo of Ward 436, Constituency 128.
Somebody will let us know who's inside this ward cover.
Well, this ward cover New Englandville community, part of Ennison Street, Terich Spoluk Jagema pipeline, we share with Malama, from Total Wilberforce to Lincoln University. Yeah.
Also, ever since this sick come now because with COVID-19, what's on be the daily activities of people as a councillor where you they work and they see people and interact with them? What's on be their daily activities where you don't they observe?
Well, people daily activities since this virus come into Sierra Leone and people somehow they follow the process with government of Sierra Leone they don't announce, and people they wash their hands, people they avoid public gathering, and that get together will be the happy, married, pool nado, dance, gonna club, all of that is reduced. You see nothing like that they happen. And even when you see people they move, today they see Okada riders, then they get double passenger. Now they see one passenger, and I observe again the taxis them where they move along Freetown. Now two passengers they sit down behind, then they allow for overload the seats them, even they put them at the same thing as here. And that's a very correct measures where the government put in place for the people them.
Alright, measures where the government put in place for the people them, yes. But as a councillor, what are the things that we don't they do for like let you people know say these are the measures the government put in place and see say they abide by the rules there?
Well, actually, to the measures the way are put in place within Million community and the way I worship the mayor Yvonne Akisoya give we the tip of the virus, waiting the cause, the effects, and how you contact them. We come, I get community engagement meeting with stakeholders, I explain to them, both pastors, imam, I tell them, let them take them to the church or house of worship, let them tell the people in the time of sermon, and the bike riders chairman, Washka chairman, Makitsuman, everybody be witness. So I pass the message very strong to them as how the mayor, Yvonne Akisoya, give we the tip. So we educate them, NSF get the knowledge about the whole virus of COVID-19. Say it kill, a very danger, for touch, you face with your finger, avoid public gathering, so on and so on. So however, we able to go through again the council where the mayor been watching say the community very vulnerable. However, we not get anything for give to the community. So we all put hands together, we able to provide some little incentives in our buckets, megaphone we give to community youth. We serve the part of the team, we say we go door to door for sensitize with people, let them understand say this virus is real and we need for keep away from public gathering. Where some of them buckets, there's an example where me with some organization, within our community, in a United Community Family Organization alongside Councillor Dabo. We give to the community, we get buckets where we install at different shops there, different community junctions. You go to New Englandville on Ennison Street, see the meet checkpoints there where we mount. We make sure say we go to the police station in New Englandville, we book them, we tell them say we want to do checkpoint for say community people wash their hands when they come into the community. So the police them will listen to we, then say give you the support. You go there, they make the system there, people they wash their hands before ever they come into the community. And megaphone, they go right around the community, they educate people about the virus. You go Spolup community again, they see the same thing, they checkpoints there, as Spolup Botomango Junction. Anybody they can say Spolup for their ties, we make sure say the person wash his hand before ever we allow him for go inside. Or get thermometer, we check the person temperature for see say the person there within the normal temperature. If they're above, or they call 117, or we call any emergency health alert for CC, then come into we aid. They will get the person to the closest nearest hospital for them to do proper checkup. However, we don't do so much of these sensitizations as a support from me as the councillor. Even during the time of the lockdown, we make sure say we come outside for see how, as a council, as a councillor for the community of Ward 436, how we can able help for complement the government's effort. We self common ado, we make sure say we feed people them, we give them things for it, because government alone cannot do all. So we as the councillor, as a council of Freetown City Council, the mayor self in church cut across, we support people them with very, very vulnerable, we're able to get them for it. So in we only to best that we can able to do. And we wish for do more than this. But however, now because the strength of financial not the too much, so we're able to church certain side. Though we get challenges, certain areas inside the community will say they not get buckets and other things. But with waiting little way the mayor able to provide, and we as a councillor able to provide, that's the scene at the junction that we put buckets them. When I Veronica bucket, Boshan station, what we do for we people them.
Okay. You make mention of the mayor provide some things for una. Is it that una they receive only from the mayor, or una get other surrogate organization them where they can't una aid?
Well, we they receive from the mayor, from Freetown City Council. We not receive nothing from central government at all, nothing like that. Now only from the mayor, our worship Yvonne Akisoya, think can say in council then just then at the community, nothing they happen. And we self they try for knock the door for see say things happen from different angles. But no way, except from the mayor, and where we did get community youthman them, we discuss with them, say let them see reason. This one a national fight. Here we all put we on. We not get money for pay person, but we only to support what we can do. We take the mic, we go around, now that's what we can able to say. Myself I help Sierra Leone for fight against COVID-19. So thank God the youth them they listen to we as the leader of the community, then settle the line and give we the support. Then they around we any south we they go, then they with we. And we still the wish for encourage more partners them for CC, then support we in our communities them. However, love we not see that we say the wait for government. Government, yes, you get but couldn't table for deal with. But as a community, stakeholders, then the institutions, then they let we put hands together and support relevant people and where they take the lead of fighting COVID-19 for CC this thing is done once and for all. Our community and the entire world.
All right, you talk about challenges with some people they face. All I don't try for tackling challenges there, and other thing I can meet for able for, bring remedy to the challenge there.
Well, challenges the way people can support facing, especially when we can get close to the lockdown. Challenges one are like a water. As you see the community now, mountainous community now on top hill, we not get any water much facility in Ayasu. People they suffer now plenty one enough. Except the water well them alongside the waterbed area. We open them, let people and can get free of charge. Let nobody not pay. I communicate to all the stakeholders then within say, let them not take money. Nobody and allow the people forget. We purify the water 2 days to the lockdown. We clean them and we make them available for everybody. And we educate them, say nobody no go come here with we on a day in that Gloucester we on our choke. One after the other, and go back to the house because Motaman cannot live without water. And the second one have been food. You are a very vulnerable community. When they say hill station, specifically also with people their attention up and then OAU villa them, or the HS quarters, or the big up garret. But we get 80% of residents that they live in a hill station, they live very poor life. Then they only broke stone, now stone miner, for let them get a livelihood. The youths them, you see them right across. Now when they come now street, can wash bike before they get them daily bread. Other people and now where they go sell. Now then they able to eat the day. If they not sell, then they eat. So you find out when they say the lockdown, then they able to get us sufficient food for let them eat. Then they been come up a very, very strong challenge for them. So however we go out, we see say we touch people for let them come into we eat, but it be very difficult to not be able to get some from nobody to government except from the mayor. So we use we initiative, we talk to them, we share wetin little we able get to them. And then be very, very appreciable to we, and then be very, very tell God thank you for the little support we will give them.
But earlier when you mentioned, say, when I go to even the police side in New England deal and talk to them for making them help now with barriers, then we person the pass so you go wash your hands.
Yeah.
But then mostly there must be somebody or people them where they refuse to go by the laws. What can be the punishment for them people and what's the action no one will take?
Well, the action when we can take now, you know what she earned, you not pass. Because the checkpoint was mounted, failing to wash your hand, the youth of the community not going to allow you for like come inside. So we force them say you need to wash your hand. Now regulation where Sierra Leone government and Ministry of Health don't put say we need for wash your hand regularly. And the face mask with the shoot up, when you know say you they come closer to any public place, the marks always for being up above the nose. So we always educate them that. Though we they get some very difficult with some people, it is seem strange for letting candle the bike or open in mutuka candle for go washing hand. It is very challenging, argument upon argue. But at the end, the person said they see say the councillor is not idle, neither the community youth not idle. Now because of love of the motherland, then think and say we need for put foot on the ground and make sure say the correct measure where government say we help for enforcer in we own little and peaceful way where Allah no go come. Let people wash their hands. So by that approach, you can take very polite one, then you can calm down them vehicle them, calm down the bike, then wash their hands. Some can say thank you. So no can say nothing, no can happy because we don't force them for calm down and wash their hands. But however is the real thing we do, and see so we help complement government in effort, because if we left this federal government, trust me, government alone cannot able to win this war.
Speaking of enforcement of laws, you know definitely get for be there all the time for see how things they go.
Yeah.
Is it that when I put specific people them say you they associate anybody where they pass, you need for ensure say you wash your hands, or not just left hand to any lookers by?
No, we get specific people number of 11 youthman them. Waiting at the particular station, also we mount the checkpoint. Then they move. Then we get mobile team. We meet they do with the mobile team. Where they go around with the megaphone, door to door, community to community. Where they move right across the world and educate people them and tell them what thing them for do and what thing they not for do. That team where they station at the checkpoint, then they very early in the morning until 7 o'clock in the evening. And people don't get used to that now. So as they reach at the checkpoint, the bike they put them down, then can don't go wash their hand, then claim and join the bike. Other get sanitizer, they can open sanitizer, he drop on an hand, he wipe in hand, and show we say if they use sanitizer, then we can allow them for pass if you know they washing hand. That's what we can do.
Alright, but then you would cover a big space, New England View and parts of Ilcott, now a very, very big place. How you able for like, go between them two places and then you there and that? Is it that you only there Ilcott and can want to go New England View, or you get somebody where they can present you in a New England View?
Well, actually, I just accept me as servant of the people. I serve them in any capacity. That make I tell Allah thank you. I mean, I'm a very young man, I mean, a youth. I claim the hills, then come down. Every day and then, are they up and down? Are they New England Ville? Are they Ilcott Road? Are they Ilcott Washcat to Slab, Hilltop, Hill Station, South Ridge? Are they Gbangbaila? Are they Seaview? Are they College? Are they Spur Loop? Are they President Lodge? Are they Tennis Court? Are they everywhere? It not go happen at the same time, but at the church, all them communities then they, before the day round, with the mobile team, where they go and engage them. Community to community, community to community. That's not a daily work we do.
Alright, the saying can always go say no man is an island.
Yeah.
So like what's going to be your messaging out to them people where you go on for me and come to you aid and come assist you with this work?
Well, I actually want to say this to every institution at Ward 436 we find itself within Englandville, Hillcott Road community, Hill Station community, Spur Loop community, Gbangbaila community, etc. So many. And other stakeholders then let them see reason. We go support this fight together. By so, we can win. But if we pull we hand out, we say no, let left cancel or let go by himself, trust me, they become difficult one. And we all see how it happen during Ebola time, where someone be falling and is into in business, how Ebola scatter away. But this time around, I actually want to encourage people for let them see I'm reasonable say it's now timely for let them support the authority them, let them support the groups, let them support the organizations them. We don't turn up before say that they fight this fight for say COVID-19. It come out in a salon, it come out in the world totally.
All right, finally, final statement to the mayor of the town and also to the people where they live in the area where you govern and to Soriat people who go on for country aid. What's your message to them?
Well, my message to them final, one for say plenty thank you to God Allah and to the mayor Yvonne Aki-Sawyerr, where they think in your own wisdom say councillors then doing a local authority in no need for bypass them for kind of the community for kind implement in need for follow the structure and the councillors them now then get them community where you walk through them you they succeed for anything you can do in the community. Tell God thank you for them where he think that and I appreciate them and other relevant people within the community though they know they give anything like financial support but the moral support it mean a lot. So because if you do work, you get person who clap for you, say, thank you very much, kudos councillor, kudos youth man, kudos the team, where they move around with the megaphone. I think that one day, now applause, so they give you courage, say, what will they do? We get people who they appreciate that.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Hello to you and welcome to this interview. Please tell me your name.
Alisan Koroma, chairman Alisan Koroma.
All right. You're not chairman for Usai?
I'm not chairman for the car wash.
As chairman for the car wash, what you don't be the thing that una don't they do or you don't they do as a person for sensitize the people every day that the car wash where they wash cars them for say this sick a day and so them for do for stay away from.
Well, it's never not true because we cancel yourself and come to tell everybody and we believe say anybody can the car wash. I go always make us stay wash the hand, do everything and avoid social distance. And put all things in place while I call it.
All right. Moving yourself away from crowd, and keeping social distance. I want to know how you don't see that happen because car wash normally people can feel in a survey get to people they sit down and wait for motorcar for come for us. How you get for if they do now for city like people are not too boku na the car wash.
Well, I believe say anybody as long as the sick don't there for now, anybody that can this car wash, will they make sure they can one by one, space to space. Because you know this sick there and would avoid social distance and this sickness we believe say they kill, they do things and man not will do anything like that. So anybody they can make sure you can't down the car wash here and before we contact with you, exchange money with you, anything.
Okay. But then when they get customer then where they come and they need a agree for wash their hands or talk, what you can do?
No, well, anybody not agree for wash here and they not accept it, they go. Other you do them by force because they explain here waiting there waiting that make it for you. And because of we not say the sick day and it affects people there. We not say the sick all the people for the sick don't not part as we couldn't cancel it talk. If you cancel and you score by counter, they explain this. Me say they sensitize me reward them everything. I be anybody any calorie in the car money the distance to distance social distance avoid.
All right. Well, let we talk about how work on telephone now. How you compare where Corona not be there and now we there? How business talent?
No, run a business is not easy because all things still because this sick don't make everybody they afraid. So we just say about this so for not get work step, not easy. Pass more through God in power.
Okay. So that the message you go send to una customer the way they come for wash their car and viewers them out there for make una customer they know say yes this una your car wash now they go by the law and make them not forget for car.
But I mean, always in the car we talk to them. Say not too fast, not feel bad with tell everybody not say this sick here day. So always they encourage the customer in the cancer and that's all they encourage them and they listen to me. Because then self not say this sick here day. And all the pray God let this sick here done.
Thank you very much. Hello to you and welcome to this interview. Please tell me your name.
Mina Mohamed Mbangura, World Development Committee member, Ward 436, representing Offil Court Road Zone.
As a member, what is not your commitment and also you don't help or you don't give for FSDC council?
Well, me commitment and help in many. But for summarize, presently we get a team where City Council the sponsor under the leadership of the councillor of the ward, when our councillor Mohamed Dabo. We go around now all the zones the way they within the ward. They talk to people about this COVID-19. First, we always tell them say, therefore we are say COVID is real, because before we come out, we in our community people then we will get that problem there. We meet some man will tell you say COVID no real, COVID now with man country day, COVID no the can na salon because of the weather. But we come out. First thing we try to tell people and say make all my aware say COVID day. And also the measures the way then go put in place we go make they not get this sick care. We advise them for wash their hands regularly. We advise them for avoid crowded area. We always tell them for maintain social distance, even though one of the biggest problems that they will get. People they know the observe social distance, and also we tell them for use face masks. With the face masks, we get initially we get this distance because some man they see how the face masks they will come. How na China them pull them for me them get the sick, then go die. But we tell them say no, not to say it. If you be afraid the masks where they sell on the street, you self-able manufacture locally, use local material. So, but with effort and the message of the pass, I know see even when I see most of the people within the world, they get their face masks.
But then you mention all the measures that way they need to put in place. But you know, things they need for day for city, I don't think that has to come to pass. Like the face masks, some person they complain say, it's not comfortable for the buy them all the time, buckets for wash hands. Like we talk to the councillor earlier, he talks to most of the people they poor, you know, they go afford all that thing. How now don't they see that anything they cancel the industry?
Yes. That again, na fact. Of course, the south side of the world today, the areas there, the zones there within the world, now most of the areas are the private areas. People they grumble, and the resources where the council get is limited. So you find out say most people are able to buy face masks. That make we go out and tell them say if you're not able to buy, manufacture locally. Use clean cloth, 10 pieces you tie and day. Now face masks that. And in the area of the hand washing, that one we really need assistance, honestly, because bucket they're not available. Within the world now few buckets they do. And this now big one, big area from England right down to Spawny. So now big area that. And so we ask whatever way, government, NGOs, religious body, private individual, anybody will get, we will help we all get face masks and Veronica buckets, soap and sanitizer that they will be welcome.
Alright, but we don't try for raise this concern to the Freetown City Council.
Yes, because even the forms then they give some of the right people their name, side and they will make comment. They will always make that comment, they say, but then Tia now we problem. Because somehow we go talk to them, they tell you say, where the face masks will count for me, where the buckets. Because we target mainly the crowded area, like their tire base, then garage, the markets then, that the more we target.
And not be the council in response to?
Well, for now, we don't get any significant feedback rate. We see council provide some bucket them, but that's not enough. That's not enough for few places then within the world, but that's not enough. We need more.
So what are the message now where they send to council and to the people out there, the advisory they give them for our protecting?
Okay, first of all, to we people learn, now the word, do allow we are say, Corona, the real, and Corona day, now the communities then. And now we all take this thing serious. We observe the rules the way we go out and tell people then. Number one, not use face masks, not go to wash your hands regularly, avoid crowded place, and observe social distance. And to cancel, we are with the big, because now we are the soldiers, the way they are the field. With the axe, cancel. Number one, for me, council will be providing with face masks, we will share out to people, and also the Veronica buckets them. Make council, it will help you. Not get somewhere we will put in strategic locations then within the world where people have no access. So this is some of the things that we want to make council do.
Thank you very much. Hello and welcome to this interview. Please tell me your name.
My name is Kalen Kabakabo.
Alright, Mr. Kabo, you go please tell me what has you been at this world?
Well, actually, I'm a youth leader in Ward 46 zone.
Alright, as a youth leader, how you don't do for reach out to the youth them inside this zone for spread out the message to them, say this sick way don't come our country is real and I'm waiting for do for prevent themselves?
Well, I would say thank you very much for that particular question. Well, from day one, we've been sensitizing, reaching door to door, reaching families, tell them how to protect and prevent themselves from this dangerous disease, when are the COVID disease, where we only see from news, don't destroy from the white countries, they come to the black African countries, and cure not day, that's every day we can bring and come to the notice. The only way you're able to stay, because white people like can say prevention is better than cure. So when you prevent yourself now, there's no need where you go for cure because you're already protected. So like every day, we go out door to door, reaching people, taking their names, sensitizing them how to protect themselves, stay from crowded areas, continue to observe personal hygiene by washing your hands regularly, your face, wearing face masks when you're in public gatherings, going to the markets, coming at home, before joining the family as a reunion, you have to continue the personal hygiene, which is wash your hands, your feet, your face, then you are welcome to the family once more, because you never know. The person you have, maybe you have exchanged money from the buyer or whosoever you get contact with from the markets, you never know. Maybe that person is a positive case. Then you come to your family without no personal hygiene, then you will affect the children or even your husband or your wife. So we tell them the actual fact. Then even specifically as of me, when I go out to sensitize, I even tell the parents to protect their children, because maybe parents going to work to their business places, the children left home. Some of these children, they go to their next neighbors to go and play. Maybe you go to your next neighbor, somebody must have been here who have contacted this corona disease. Then you take it from that place to your house, then you can spread it. So if not only to the parents, but even the children, they can pass this from another house to their home, which can cause effect and it can lead to death. So definitely we are cajoling the parents also to protect even the children. So there is a lot of ways we do it, but really in the field it is not really easy, because every day you go out telling people about the same thing, the same reality. At times it sounds boring, but it's our duty, because that's why we are chosen and we are doing it, and we are going to continue doing it because we want to save lives.
But then all of these measures that you spoke about, they come with, these measures that you spoke about earlier on, they come with equipment. Like covering your face has to do with the masks, and washing your hands has to do with buckets and soaps and so on and so forth. What have you been doing to see that your people have these equipment?
Well, specifically from day one, we've been sensitizing courtesy of Freetown City Council and I think CRS in partnership. We've been working for them for a while, but specifically this constituency as a whole, then to be specified, this word, we lack materials. We lack something that we can go out there and give the people as assurance and protection. So this is from FCC, this is from CRS, but there is no means, there is no measures, we're just going out there empty-handed, even for us, the volunteers, we don't have plenty. As you can see, there is not much equipment, no face masks, no gloves, no nothing. We are just working voluntarily. So this is how we've been doing it. So as now we have the opportunity, this is a means for them to hear us and come to our aid. Because the people need it. Some houses when we go there, we say, but please, can we have the face mask? We will say, no, this is why we are taking your contact. So that when the people call you, you will tell them that you need and the Veronica bucket, you need face masks, so all these stuffs. But we are not really compacted with anything that we can give to the people.
Okay, you're telling the people that when they call them, who are these people that will call them?
Well,
why are you taking their
specifically, I can't tell you that because me too, I'm working for a whole body. We submit information to the coordinator. So we don't know whether they call these people or not. So that's just a means of follow principles by taking the names and contact of these people, but we never know if they are calling for checking.
All right, but what is the assurance that you give to the people out there that we are taking your information and yes, you're going to have the things that you desire?
Well, specifically, as you see the faces here, they are all community known faces. Now, when you see Mr. Kallen is out there, you know that this man is not a foolish man or he's a credible somebody in the community. So your credibility is one thing that counts. That this person talking to you is a credible somebody. We know he can go there and protest. He go and liberate for us to get something, for us to have something. So you see, they only believe they have in us because they know we continually do something for the community to become great, for the community to be well known. So this is the only hope they have in us for now. But to be specific and to be sincere, there is nothing we have been received to give these people as protection.
All right, so what's the message you send to those that you're expecting from and also to the people that are expecting from you?
Well, specifically, you are one necessary medium as of now. Now you have my information. This information should not be gone and put down or left in that manner. You are the one, now the duty is upon you. Take this information to who I believe say foresee this information, and for Yerise, constituency 128 is starving. Starving. As you can see, this community is highly civilized and educated. We are all doing measures by our own way because we know within our personal hygiene. But when you see there is no bucket, no nothing, not even water tank here. So as you can see, so I'm pleading to you, you have to pass this information. This community depends on you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Viewers, you self don't listen and you don't see. The things and way the councillor and in group don't they do for in people them not in ward, we get for do with New England, some part of New England, Hill Station and Spur Loop. They don't talk about the constraints them where they go through ever since they don't begin this them patrol for go and sensitize people within the world, but this sick called COVID-19 and things that we them for do for protect themselves when they not get the sick. And the messaging they send to the government and to people them out there for counter their aid. We bring the program come to you today. My name is Nakuna Sise. Till we meet again to another edition of Talk to the Camera, I say, tata.